Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Notion as a virtual sticky note board. To kickstart, you'll need to open Notion on your device. If you don't have it installed, go to notion.so and download the app. Having an organized place for your ideas and reminders is key to productivity, and Notion is perfect for this. Now that you've got Notion open, let's create a new page. Click on the plus Add a Page button on your sidebar. This will be your sticky note board. The reason we do this is to keep all our notes in a single place, making them easy to find and manage. Next up, let's add a board. Click on the plus Add a Block button in your new page, then select Board. This helps us because boards let you create individual cards, just like sticky notes, and organize them into different columns. Now, let's customize your board. Click on each column to rename it. You might label them To Do, In Progress, and Done for a simple workflow, or perhaps Ideas, Researching, and Completed for a project. Customize them according to your needs. This is important because clear categories help you see at a glance where each task or idea stands. Finally, let's create our first card. Click on the plus Add a Card button in the desired column, then type your note. Remember, you can also add tags, due dates, and even assign tasks to others if you're collaborating. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Each card you create is a mini page in itself. You can click on it to add more detailed notes, images, files, and more. Let me explain why this matters. Using Notion as a sticky note board allows you to declutter your workspace and mind. It helps you prioritize tasks, track progress, and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. And that's it. You've just turned Notion into a virtual sticky note board. Remember, this is a flexible system. Feel free to tweak and adjust it to suit your work style and requirements. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you manage your tasks and ideas more effectively with Notion. Until next time.